Yeah, you just keep tapping that gear there, Dad. Well, another fish on. Doesn't feel like a huge trout, but it's still a brown trout. Up here at Bonnie Doon in beautiful Victoria, in the country. We're away from the salt this weekend, myself and Damon the Bruisey, and also my father Ron, who's behind the wheel of the Tabs boat. And like I said earlier, we've just come to try trolling for trout up here at Bonnie Doon, and it's working. Just a nice spread of trout lures out the back. And I must say our lures are actually way out the back of the boat from all the noise, away from the wake of the boat. And those lures are just out there flicking around naturally, doing what they should do. Yeah, nice fish. And these little fellas, these little trout are falling victim to these lures. Attached to our kamikaze gear. We've got ourselves a little tangle, but that's alright. We'll get this guy aboard, Tab's boat. There he is, and that's the lure he fell victim to. Nice, typical trout lure. Excellent. So we'll get this guy in the tank as well, the revival tank we're calling it today. Catch and cook, not the kill tank, it's a revival tank, because later on we're going to release all these fish, and that's going to make for a very special ending to tonight's episode of C&C Catch and Cook. We'll get this guy unhooked and get him in there. Well, we hope you're enjoying tonight's episode of Catch and Cook so far up here at Bonnie Doon, Lake Eildon in Victoria, country Victoria. It's now time to go over and see Gina Corso in the Catch and Cook kitchen, where you're going to see her do a beautiful cook up, and we'll see you back here shortly in glass calm conditions at Bonnie Doon, Victoria style.
Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Catch and Cook. On tonight's episode we're going to be cooking with garfish. So I've got some beautiful garfish here that we've butterflied and taken all the bones out. So what I'll do first is I'll just tip them upside down this way and sprinkle some lemon juice on them. Just as so, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. So, just pop them aside. And here I've got some flour. I'm going to put some paprika, some parsley flakes, so, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And then just stir it around with a fork. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it in my flour, then in some egg, and then I'm going to put in some breadcrumbs. Down a bit. It's almost like a schnitzel. They're a nice size as well. And my pan's nice and hot with my oil. I'll get my butterflied garfish. Now look, they're a little bit tricky to do at home, but it's not too bad. If you take a rolling pin and roll down the back of the garfish, it'll crunch up the bones, and then you can just peel it from the inside down, and then just remove the side bones on either side, or get your fishmonger to do it. Okay, now I'm going to pop them down skin side down. Okay, so they're looking good. You can turn them over. They're just nice and golden brown. We'll just sprinkle some lemon over the top. And there we have it, a beautiful crumb garfish. Hopefully you enjoy. We'll get back out to the waters and we'll see what the boys are up to.
Well, welcome back from the Catch and Cook kitchen. Gina Corso, thank you very much once again. Now what we're going to do for the second half of tonight's episode of Catch and Cook, we're going to throw it over to the western entrance in Western Port, where myself, Damon the Bruisey behind the camera, and Daniel Cucks were down there trawling as well. We've got some beautiful barracuda and pike, so go check that out, and we'll see you back here shortly in Lake Eildon, Bonnie Doon. See you soon.